Marko, and I'm going to show you how to get VSLs that work on Facebook and YouTube. So the first thing is, how long should a VSL be? Well, it depends on many factors, and there's no specific rules on how short or long your VSL should be. While thinking of the proper length of your VSL, you can take some factors into considerations, which are like your audience, your offer, your message, and your price. So the general rule of thumb is to make sure that your video is neither longer nor shorter than what you need to get the point across. So don't state your offer 30 times. Few times is enough, because if you say it 3 times, maybe the video will be 10 minutes long. If you say it 50 times, the video may be 60 minutes long, if you get me. Now, what channels work best? So typically VSLs have worked best when news is coming, of course, from a video platform, so like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. They are great places to start to target cold traffic you want to convert. If the prospect is already going to a platform to consume video content, they're more likely to interact with a VSL. Now, how are they hosted? Well, basically they are hosted on your own domain, either using like a landing page builder like WordPress or any other. So how to make it work? Well, you want to identify your customer avatar and create before and after grid. So it means that you're not just selling the product, you're selling a transformation. So you're selling a transformation. You need to know what benefits you want to emphasize, so that you want to change the perspective of the customer lives for the better. So starting with the before state of your buyers, and then the after, how will they feel after they buy your product. Once you have that, the next step is do the script. So a script is like non-negotiable in all videos projects, so don't just do it out of your head. Do a legitimate script and then just read that outline. Now the other thing is that your first 8 seconds are really crucial. You need to have an attention grabbing hook, because, as I said, is the most important one. You can start like with a question, with a fact, you can start like with a drama in the video or something like that. Then you want to identify the problem, like remember the before state. So you need to know why does this problem need to be solved in the first place. You need to know that. Then you need to build credibility, so include like social proof, reviews, your own results, like things like that can help you out to build credibility. Then you want to aggravate the problem, which basically means just go deeper into the problem and emphasize more on the pain points your customers for further driving it home. So that's one thing. And then provide, of course, the solution. Make the offer. Now state what your offer is. Of course, give a guarantee and make the offer a fear. So it's basically one-time offer or something like that. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment.